Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meetup how to cancel RSVP. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel RSVP on Meetup, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Meetup app. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged in with your Meetup credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your home icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Then once you are there, here you will be seeing the upcoming events. All you gotta do is simply tap on that. If you don't find the event, you can tap on the explore button on the bottom center as well, and then simply type in your event name on the search bar and then simply tap on it. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the option that says edit RSVP right here on the bottom left corner of the screen. Simply tap on that. Now if you want to change it to no, simply tap on no and then tap on update, and that will change your RSVP. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.